Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to return or exchange items on SHEIN quickly, easily, and stress-free. Let's get started. First, make sure that you've got a SHEIN app installed. Then, open it. Then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of the screen. Look for the Returns option and tap on it. And here you'll see a list of your recent purchases. And select the item you want to return and tap Return Item. And here are the few important things to note. Items must be unworn, unwashed, and undamaged. Tags should be still attached, and return must be within 35 days of purchase. And the bonus tip: return shipping is free for your first return package of any order. And that's it. Returning on SHEIN is super easy. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.